Yo, welcome back, Gen Z Auto family. I'm following Gabe right now. We're getting some B-roll. But while we're following Gabe, let's talk about what it's like to actually drive this thing. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm actually coming from a 911 to this car, and everybody knows 911s are known for being just driver's cars, super capable, super tactical, and all that. And you know, Mercedes, AMG. You know, when I think about AMG before the 911, it was just the weight. I was thinking about, man, I'm going to really be gaining 500, 600 pounds. You know, yeah, it's going to have more power, but I mean, with that much weight that you're adding, you got to be like, you know, losing some of the, you know, the precision that you have. But that's just not the case here, guys. This car is super nervous. When I say that, it wants to move. Like, it doesn't want to hold a line. It's labeled as a GT car, but this car is super nervous. It hides its weight really well, both with the power and with the agility. I mean, this car is so nimble. Like, it wants to be thrown into a corner and just change directions. Contrary to like how it looks, it actually is very athletic, and I think I mentioned that in my discussion outside the car. This car is just super athletic. Like, it wants to move, it wants to go. It just wants to dance, and that's what I love about it. It's kind of like a muscle car, you know. It's a muscle car that can move, you know. Like, and that's a part of me as being American and being raised, you know, around my granddad. He was really big into muscle cars, so that's why I'm just really drawn to this car. It's a muscle car, but it's athletic. It gets it. It's sophisticated. I'm just in an individual mode right now, but we have an array of modes. We have comfort, we have sport, sport plus, and then full-on race. This car is the only car I would truly say race mode is meant to be used on the racetrack. It's not really meant to be used on the road. The stability and electronics that this car does have are very, very minimal when you put it in race mode. And if you're not ready for that, you will mess up. It's just no ifs, ands, and buts about it. But yeah, I think we're gonna do a small 0 to 60 pull. We finally got a draggy, guys. I'm so excited, and we get to get some data for you. But yeah. What else I want to talk about? Yeah, guys, and if you're new to the channel, this Gen Z Auto, we're a comprehensive channel. I wanted to talk. We want to talk about everything from buying, purchasing, owning, maintaining, all facets of automotive lifestyle. We're gonna start doing car rallies, car meets. We want to start organizing some get-togethers, some vacations, some car vacations, and also we're really working on starting an automotive club, and also exotic rentals. So my vision is for you to be able to, you know, one day drive this for yourself with the right insurance, obviously, and, you know, put your money up. But you know, I just know how it is, you know, being a car enthusiast, and it seems like your only time you get to experience these cars with, you know, the old timers who, you know, are just spending money, or with the super wealthy that, you know, you have no access to. So yeah, I've been on both. Well, I'm not super wealthy yet, but I've been there where, you know, you just don't have any access, and you have that passion, and I want to feed into that passion. I want to create more car culture, and you know, that's who I am. I love cars, always have, always will. And yeah, that's why Gabe's out here hanging out the back of this Lincoln, getting you guys some good shots. Thanks guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I want to thank Gabe, our co-founder, production engineer, and digital producer for making everything happen. But yeah, make sure you stay in tune for the AMG GTS videos in the future. We have tuning coming. We have a whole bunch of stuff coming. A lot of exciting stuff coming. So I'll catch you next time. Peace.